Yes, what I say, even when you not here, pick up for you just to please you. When you have them people at your foot, it I go show you say don't dash them, bro. Yes, what I say, and choke this them, bro. Cause watch ya. You did this one a reason with them people about my name. And look how good me is. Me you never have an argument yet. All me do is show you love. As you call me, I run and jump like idiot for you. I have them people. You and them people they are this, my dog. You see? It's going to show you say you know to do them thing there, bro. Because you can't have good people in your corner and no way it's going to lead. And not no more than from them time they. Yeah, this me with the woman and not chat me, brother. Yes, what me I say. And I tell the woman, this woman and that woman, bro, you never know say that going to reach this far. Yes, what me I say. But you see, you're short term memory where you did a pray. That's why you style me. It never work out and it come long term. So you just see say right now, bro, you see you just love me alone, yeah?
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set with Bliss. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the P-tennis can't see on the screen. Yeah, just as I expected, people, the reason why this business relationship went sour is because Rosealee is eating all of her fruits being made off of this series. People putting in the comment section where you think about that, because one new BMW buy spoiled the whole punch. You see me say, you know, when these people do this type of business relationship on social media, them really have to drop some contracts. You see me say, they really should, you know, I'm not going to tell them no, not to pay me for that, but draw up some contracts and let them know what go on for not to go on. This is where the money is going and this is where the stuff is being said. But like I said, you know, Rosealee built these people's platforms and things, so she really should be worried about how she manages her own business. You see, I said, I look like Jake and the amount of money, and I said, and boy, oh yeah, I get all the food, you know. Right, so he is telling his side of the story, because you know I'm get style wicked and thing. Right, so let's do me a favor and like and share the video from now on our social media platforms, and let's get into it.
Alright then. That's what I said to her. I say, you see you, I'ma just kiss my teeth and say, just love me alone, yeah, man. I'm done. Me never say about nothing, bro. Me never say about nothing. Me never say about nothing. So all of who me see forward in a box and I said this and I said that, bro. Remember, in a dog, when tickers come over here and constantly I do things and I say this, even when them I say she cuss the people, you know. Me call her up, you know. I mean her corner, you know. Hold on there, me address something before me go any further. Listen to me. Una no know me from nowhere. Una no know my financial status, and me is not here for debate about my financial status. Tickers can tell you, yes, when my car buy, I make my show you when my screenshot my car. By the way, when I go look for my car for buy it. The 5th of May. Yes, what I say? I did go buy my car for my birthday. See there? At the car mark this my day when I go look on the car, the 5th of May. Yes, what I say? I did go buy the car for my birthday. You remember when I go up on the first date? You know I talk, I not get subscription money up to today. She can tell you. The subscription money no come out all now. Say if I that you not tell me say me use buy the car, you no know nothing about me. Remember say 1 week later, after the date me buy my car, and a tickers page me a rank on, not my page. A tickers page have all of the money them. I may never take no money out of it till September 1st. I may care by the 20th of August. So all of you don't know, bro, me is a successful businessman. Me have my money long time, bro. I mean I need to come over here come debate my financial status too, no, bro. Me can't really get things done, bro. Me does not talk shit, bro. Ask anybody who know me from long time. A long time me I drive car, bro. You see it? So no just shut up when I tell me, say, bro, no feel like, say, my mental state, they are care. Bro, when me I tell tickers to stop, come over here and cuss. Alright then, you defend your friend. That's even the argument with Triple. I understand, say, you defend your friend. I respect Triple, I respect everybody. But me I say to her, say, people, now have to look on this. You see, big deals start link with. Overseas people start link with and them little thing there. Overseas people start link with, foreign people start link with. It's bad publicity when you're there over here walk and across everybody. I mean know that I try explain that to her. I say a whole heap of people we look out for we bro. Some people don't reach where them for reach based up half of the fact how them behave online, brother. Yes, when I say, I know so you stay on my baby. I not try change it, but I just try alter it a little bit. Yes, when I say, so we can actually go places. I don't feel like say me dream with me and her, me and her build up this. For me dream is to buy one little fucking car. Eh? We think I got bigger than this, bro. We think I got far bigger than this, bro. That is where my mind there, bro. And I say, Tickers, make me and you do this together. You build me, yes, but we do this together, no you alone, baby. We do this together. You see it? Because if I know for me, it not go nowhere. If I know for you, it don't go nowhere. We do this together. You see it? And I want you to remember that. I thank God for the strength where you give me. You see it? But you have to understand, say we do this together, baby girl. I know you alone. Me never make you spend yet. You know what I say me use? Me never make you spend yet, people. I go show you. Yo. A girl, me I tell you, it be kind you fuck. Me say a girl kind you fuck, me not tell you no lie. You see, even the night when me say to her, say because me tell her say me I spend be money, as she call me start spend. So me say to her, say B, you see me spending account, my money kinda chisel down in night, you know. So me I go and go live and see if me can make back some money. You see it? Because I out of my pocket. Everything when me been a do, I out of my pocket. Ask her. She can't tell you. She can't tell you. She all have to look at me and I say, yo, so you have money to pay for that? And I want swipe on my card. She can't tell you. I out of my pocket, me been a do everything and me no watch no face. You see it? Remember one night me and her come in. And when me that say the same argument to her, and me I tell you, oh, a girl kind, you know. I tell her, I say, yo, me I go on easy and go live and build up some money cause I out of my pocket me I spend. You know what, Tickers look at me and say, she say, AKEEM, you want me give you some money? And I look on her, ask her, she have a talk it on her life. I look on her and say, nope, don't practice that, baby girl. Don't never give no man no money, me will give me money. Don't give no man no money, me will give me money. People as ask her, as she sneeze me jump. She said she go a foreign, me stand up in a bank line. Just to get money for her, US for her, so she can go where she go, brother. Me jump in a bank line just to get US for her. Anything she say to me, me do it and me make sure she alright. She can't talk it, she not short and nothing. She not have to spend, if her heart desire, she not have to spend her money. And she call me and say, AKEEM, do this. Me say, alright then. Either me send one of my security with it or one of my beer them or somebody or me go do it myself. Me never tell her no, people you have to understand me as a man and me as a businessman, bro. Me might be late for certain things, but I get shit done. Me might be late, but me get shit done, bro. Yes, when me I say, me always have your best interest at heart, baby girl. So when me all tell you, say, yo, just if me and you have something, me never tell you, say, the series. Yes, when me I say, me always have your best interest at heart, baby girl. So when me all tell you, say, yo, just if me and you have something, me never tell you, say, the series end. Me just vex. Cause me feel like you tell your friends of a true. Yes, when me I say, hold on there. Me just vex cause me feel like you tell your friends of a true. So make me and you deal with it over the phone now, please. I just that my ask you, baby. Make me and you deal with this over the phone, please. Please, me no want to do it on the live. Me not say nothing to you for you even a cry. Me say, babes, make me and you deal with it over the phone. Me always time talk it. Me say, anytime nobody input nothing in our relationship, it never work yet. If we have something more to talk about, bro, me could talk about it over the phone, B. Because when people everybody have them own opinion in it, it go mash up. Me never say no serious end. Yo, how much time when you hear she come over here? Serious end, and me done with him, and she disrespect me, and me take it. She diss me and me go talk to her and look back friend with her. She got this me talk back to her and look back friend with her, bro. Because me not this here, bro. Me feel a way you said that you throw me under the bus. And in front of you and behind you, me talk highly good boy. You never can hear nobody come say me diss you. Because I'm grateful and glad to you come in my life, bro. Because you changed my life and I always tell you that. All when you tell myself, me not do nothing for you, me always say, yo, bro, you don't even know what you do for me. Me always show me appreciation. Even your friend them see that. You see it? Even your friend them see that. So when me see you over Bacca's corner, I'ma tell you about this in a baby, me say, babe, stop. Cause even my mother and them people they come to me about it, say, yo, remember, say, yo, alright, I'm gonna show you something. You know, say, she continuously disrespecting me. If me get a future girl, you know, them I go feel like say it's alright for this me, you know. And that me I tell you, you know, if me get a future female, she go feel like say it's okay to disrespect me. You know, alright? Because me not come to you with no disrespect, baby girl. Me have feelings too. That's why me tell you say me feel away, bro. Me not really care where you say you're. Even if you tell your man say you're Ray, I am man that people tell them man, the woman tell them man anything. Forget out that problem, but that's your friend, bro. Why you ever say that? Why you ever say that? Yes, when me I say, I'ma tell you say me believe and me never even come on live come talk this, bro. It would have squashed on the phone. Me and her would have do over the phone and tomorrow morning, we come on the live, everything good. People not even know where go on. When you come on the live and I bring me down, oh, pussy. And I pussy what an idiot. Bro, you can't deal with me, so B. You can't do that, man. You can't deal with me, so. Because me never style you on the phone. Me never do it. Even when you say, yo, you have mental. I know mental, I tell you, say, yo, me see you do some things and me just there so easy and I think. Me nah disrespect your baby girl, man. No, you fear do them thing, yeah. No, you have people that said this and I said that and I said this. Me never say nothing about no serious ending, no. Me never say nothing and she say this done at me never say nothing. And the reason why me not answer call because me just want a clear end. You know why me answer call and be disrespectful, me don't stay so. Me don't stay so, B. Me tell you say me don't stay so. And me say to you say, bro, you're there on the phone. With that one, look how me show you something. She dep on live. Me never dep on live with all Ticker's enemy them yet, you know. Me never dep on live with Ticker's enemy them yet, you know. Can me make sure say yo everything alright. You dep on live with the little coward batty boy one day. When I show him face, the little informer batty boy one day. Him see him one charge and him a diss me. The little informer coward that diss me in a youth. Me say little informer coward that diss me in a stay some me a listen to him, you know. And me stay some me hold it and me leave send up to her and me feel away in a dog. Cause me nah do that, you know, bro. Me go show you one night I go a party. And me go tell you why me feel away, bro. One night I go a party. And me stop in front of Taboo. Right at Taboo there, so me buy one suit. And some bag of girl rush down for me and I take picture with me and them little thing there. You see it? And one little one come and she a take picture and you know, after that she a said to me, say, look how my little bit I need. Me a suit me a buy and I give the man me $1,000, you know. You see what me I say? And she a say, look how my little bit I need. And me a want, you know, one rose and them thing there. And me not even want to be disrespectful to the female. Me not even bother take the soup, you know. Me just say to my security team, come 2 security them there beside of me. And my 2 dogs them there just buy the soup. And I just see this and spin my finger and I say, me ready. Just because she said that boy, baby. Just because me not bother want a soup. You see it? And if she see this, she can tell you. And everybody can tell you because them did dead. You see it? She depend. If no want road, and me just jump in and me car and me speed off. Me not allow nobody to disrespect your babes. I swear to you, bro. Me always have your best interest in art, bro. You can't come on live and do that, man. You can't come on live and make it look like say, alright, AKEEM there to do that. AKEEM, me vex, me feel away. So I tell you my voice, how me feel. Me can't always hold it in on the app. And ladies, me see you not cuss me off, you know. All some of them with my logo up and cuss me off, you know. When I have this perspective, say yo man, for all up them stress. Come on, bro. How much me can bear, dog? I won't eat me a year in a dog. I won't eat me a easy back one in a dog. And it's not like me a burden her with it, you know. Me just a easy. Me not cuss her. Me not in her ears, bro. Me just a easy. When me calm down, me come talk back to her. Me can't talk when me ignorant, brother. Brother, watch you now. Yo, no, fuck off, yeah, man. Later.
Yeah, and the story come to bump, but not for long, cause you know, so the holidays is coming up. So look out for the reconciliations because the gonna need holy pack gifts from Tops and Roses. Anyway, people, we're not gonna this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.